wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambi come back with a hit and a smashing out. Bang! You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, friends, from Tiger, you see where we're there today in the music lab we are dealing with. Yeah, man, today we have a new video and a new song from Masicka featuring the Yutes entitled Get Money. You see me? You don't know Masicka, one of the best dancehall artists out right now. I'm not too familiar with the Yutes, but you don't know Masicka, one of the best dancehall artists out right now, and he makes great music, very talented, and you know, we'll check it out and see what go on. Not too familiar with the Yutes, but we'll get a bit familiar with him today. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, people, before we jump in that chat, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell. If you don't know the likes, help me grow my channel, you know what I'm saying, I'll push my videos out there, you know what I'm saying. So go ahead and smash that like button. Yeah, man, people, check out the Yutes featuring Masicka, Get Money. We now hold the vibes much longer, let's get it. The video look like you well produced, and I'm not lie, the quality look good. But get money, you don't know every case of you if you're ambitious, you don't know. Come in. She and creative, big up yourself, you.
Watch. We don't scare them, we don't hide. Get money, yeah. You know, she gon' ride, just money. Whipping those fast cars, flipping those dollars. We pull up and
Mad said, get money. We don't scare, we don't hide. Come on, man. I like how you start off with Mr. Big Man thing. Let's get it.
come on, up all night. Yeah. Junks let me up all night. Yeah. It's all about the guala, never care about fame. Man, I forget rich, but when you're rich, don't change.
Ooh, all about the guala, me no care about fame. Man, I forget rich, but when me get But when you get rich, don't switch 50. Hey, come in, man. Come in, man. Real talk.
Put you to the game. Stay out of them way. Yeah, trust them with my life because the pussy them fake. I win up play nice, we keep the 9 on my waist.
Yeah.
If you fuck with one of Yutes, I know we light up the place. Tell them so we get money, but I love we embrace. Go out every day.
Yo, hold on. The Yutes, is this a music group or is it just one person? Because, yo, the first if you name the Yutes, I like how you jump on the track. You see me, your flow and your style, bad, me not lie. Yeah, man, your sound really good on the track. You have clarity, your delivery. Yeah, man, but keep going. But is the Yutes a group or is it just one person? I want to know.
If we got jet, we beat in the case. Young rich niggas do some bricks for my chain. Watch. We don't scare them, we don't hide. Get money. Yeah.
We don't scare, we don't hide. Get money. Yeah.
You know, she gon' ride, just money. Whipping those fast cars, flipping those dollars. We pull up and start, come on.
Ooh, whipping those fast cars, whipping up dollars. Come in.
Yeah. Junks let me up all night. Yeah. Talk about them cars, I'm a break alright. Love the girl and not be asked if I fuck alright. My chain them a drip, like my bus out pipe. The flame them a kick, when the fuss out fight.
Who? Chain them a drip like my bus out pipe. Flames them a click, but we no fuss and fight. Come on.
A quick trip, yeah, we go on flight. All around the world, girl, I got tight. The metal them is strike for my blood, alright. Use the stuff for someone fucking at the club, alright. Cutting up the weed and something I forgot price. My Jesus peace, no fakes, man, they got hands Christ. Hey, Jesus and peace.
Ooh, Masicka killing this flow, bro. Masicka murdering this flow, bro. You know what I'm saying? Right now, me not lying. This is why people say, yo, Masicka is hot right now. Masicka about up a place right now. Masicka keep going. You know what I'm saying? The man about up a place right now. They say if Masicka just be present and just keep consistent. You know, because he's been quiet for a little while you know what I'm saying? But if you keep consistent like how he's been for the past couple of days, I'm not going to take over the game again, man. Big man think Masicka flow is very timeless. Come on. Get money.
You know, she gon' ride, just money. Whipping those fast cars, flipping those dollars. We pull up and start, come on.
Whipping those fast cars, flipping up dollars, whipping up all stars.
Come on, up all night. Yeah. Junks let me up all night. Yeah. on my jeans. Now I go for defeat. One call and it reach. She a bring the pussy, give me and a friend for the team. Yeah, we fresh every day, see me.
Okay, so the Yutes is a group. Oh, that mad in a dog. Big man thing. That mad a long time we not get a group in a dancehall. Big man thing. Since what? Since RDX and Riavas and yeah, long time, you know. And freaking the Marital Family. Long time in our group in the dancehall. Let's get it.
In a Supreme, and me now go there if we can run the beam. Double cup of pour, but this and a lean. Anytime I roll out, we like the scene. Level the beat, my buffer kill it with ease. Lyrics and melody, not you they ever sees, but who's it they ever squeeze? Better believe, so I read.
And them flow mad too, you know. The Yutes, big up on yourself, man. Masicka, come in.
The work been a poutine, and know we have it will leap. We connect the streets, big up 876. Yeah,
Looking at the Roberto Cavalli. Come in, man.
Yeah,
Roberto Cavalli are one of my favorite designers, you know. You see me?
plan on the keys, now stop pressing that say them a go remember me. Watch.
But Roberto Cavalli, I know cheap things, and Roberto Cavalli one of my favorite designers, but I mostly like his shoes. Roberto Cavalli shoes, mad. When it comes to designing shoes, few that does it like Roberto Cavalli. Dancehall music is a good look. Yeah, man. It's a good look, people. Yo. Yeah, man. Yo, this mad. Me not lie. Yeah, man, that mad, man. I gotta check it out. Baby Grande Records. Hey, I gotta check out and see what go on. That mad people. Only thing about the one day. Yeah, man, that's the Yutes featuring Masicka. Yo, man, yeah, man, the one they shot, man, me not lie. Yeah, man, that's the Yutes featuring Masicka. Get money, people. Let definitely know what you think about that one. Let me know what's your favorite part, lyrics, beat, melody, flow. You know what I'm saying? Who was your favorite feature? Which one of the Yutes was your favorite? Was it Masicka? You see me? Yeah, man. Now let me know what country you're watching from. You know, drop your flags, your emojis. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jam Bisco sign you. Yeah, man, people, and definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I definitely get it done. Yeah, man, real dope track by the Yutes and Masicka entitled Get Money. Yeah, man, I can't wait for next to bring another banger for y'all, man. Really enjoyed this one. From now on, I'm just going to post music that I think are bangers and that I think is good. I'm not going to repost the songs that I don't think is good. I'm just reacting and let you know I don't really like it like that. I'm going to mostly try to post the ones that I really like and really mess with, you know what I'm saying, and give you all my honest review. Yeah, man, people. So yeah, man, dope track by the Yutes and Masicka to Get Money. Yeah, man, guys, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.